In this tutorial, we are going to see how to discover the devices that are connected to the same network. So discover all the devices on the same network to get the informations like the IP address, MAC address, the operating system name, open ports, the running services, and many more. And here I have the virtual Windows 10 machine connected to the same network. I have a Kali server as well I have the Windows 10 machine. Both are connected to the same network, and the IP address of my Windows machine is 192.168.153.128. Let me check the IP of my Kali server. So here we use the command called ifconfig is the command, then followed by the network adapter name, and the IP of my Kali server is 192.168.153.129. Now we can use the net discover command and see how we can use it to discover all the devices connected to the same network. And this method will work on the real network, or even if your target is a Wi-Fi or the wireless network. Let me show you. So net discover is the command, then hyphen R is the option. So that is to mention the range values. So without R option, it will do the auto scan. So with R option, we can mention the ranges. For example, I need to check the IP ranges that is starting from 192.168.153.0/24. So 24 is nothing but this will try to show all of the IPs that starts at 192.168.153.0 to 254. Okay, so the IPs in the same subnet would start at 192.168.153.0 and they would end at 192.168.153.254. Let me execute, and this will take some time to get the information. Still it is scanning. Yeah, so now got the informations. So these are all the devices that are connected to our network, and we have got the informations like the MAC address of that device, and we have the Windows machine IP also here, 128. So 128 is the Windows 10 machine IP, and its MAC address detail and the vendor name. So all these informations we can get it by using this net discover command. And let me give you another one command also to gather the sensitive informations about the connected device. And the command is network map is the command, that is nmap is the command. By using this command, we can discover the open ports, running services, operating system, and many more information. And you can use the graphical version of this nmap command also. So instead of using the nmap command from the command line, we can use the graphical version by using zenmap. So this will open the graphical user interface window. So where we can mention the IP address we would like to scan. Let me show you. Yes. So here in this target, you can put any name or any IP to scan, whether it is a personal computer or server or IP for a web server, for a website, anything you can put it inside this target box. Okay. So let me give the IP here. For example, I need to scan the target 192.168.153.128. Let me try to scan. So this will tell a lots of informations regarding the connected devices. You see here, it's still scanning. So from this 128 IP address, so this port is in opening state 139, 150, 135 and 445. So these are all the ports available as of now. Yeah, see here. So from this 128 IP address, this port is open and the service name that is accessing this port, then the version for that service. So all these informations we can easily get it from the ZenMap tool. Okay, so the versions, now you can go to Google and you can check the version. Okay, and you can look for the exploits and vulnerabilities in the specific version. Got it? So the hacker will do like this only. So getting the exact program version is really helpful when we get to the gaining section, and you will see then how we can use to exploit the vulnerable services and gain the full control over the computers that have these services installed. Let me show you another one example. Let me run the nmap command from the command line to grab more information. Let me cancel this. Nmap, and then followed by the option, the verbose, then T4, then the option capital F, then followed by the version, a hyphen light, and the IP. For example, 168.153.128. Then enter. And this will tell you the OS running on the device, whether it is a phone or laptop or a router. So all these names it will display. See here, the same thing, the port details, the service name, and the version details, and the MAC address also you can get it, as well which operating system is running on that device, Microsoft Windows 10. The operating system name also you can get it. So everything you can get it from this Nmap tool. So in the next video, I will show you how to become the man in the middle by using the ARP protocol. So how to poison the ARP protocol and how to become the man in the middle in the network. So thanks for watching.